things we will do. So let me tell you. So here we will be more focused on interview part. Okay. So like now most of you know MuleSoft concept. Okay. But during interview, like it might be difficult, like you are unable to answer things properly. So here we will be focused on that part, like how to answer what kind of question. Let's say we have, like in interview, you will get different kind of question, like technical question, then scenario based question, data week question, then project related question. So how you will answer all those kind of questions, so that we will discuss. Okay. And this will be part one. So here we will discuss 300 plus technical question. Okay. So what question they are asking very frequently, we will cover those question also. And some, like we will do more practice on frequently asked question, and we will cover other question also which might come. Okay. Let's say about error handling. So whenever you will go for interview, definitely they will ask about error handling. Okay. So in error handling, like we will have direct straightforward question also, like what is on error continue, what is on error propagate. And then we have another thing, like they may ask some scenario based question. Let's say we have two flow, one is parent, another in child. Okay. If there is any issue in child flow, I don't want to stop the processing of parent flow. So how you will do error handling? If you want to do component level error handling, what component you will use? So that kind of scenario based question they will ask. So all those things we will discuss in this part. Okay, scenario based question, like whatever technical question will be there, based on that there will be scenario based question also. In scenario based question, like most of the component will be batch processing, error handling, scatter gather, async component. So based on this component, generally they used to ask scenario based question. Okay. So we will discuss about that. And there sometimes they will give you some requirement also. Okay, this is the requirement, how you will design your API, and how like they will ask some like cross question from your design. Then data weave question. So nowadays data weave question is like getting much popularity, since people want to see like you have really that hands-on experience or not. Okay. So if they will check your hands-on experience in other topic, then it may, yeah, like interview process will be too big. It may take 2 hour, 3 hour. Okay. But in data weave, like whatever question they will ask, that you can answer within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay. So to check your hands-on experience, generally like in interview, they used to ask data weave question. Okay. So they will ask you about map function, map object function, plug function, accumulator function, filter function. So based on these functions, they will ask some scenario based question. So we will discuss not scenario, data weave question. So we'll discuss on that part also. We will do lots of practice on this part also. Then project related questions. So definitely like company will have expectation. Like it's good to have hands-on experience in 2-3 project. Okay. But many company, they just want like to see you have a real-time project experience or not. Okay. And you can survive in their project or not, since company are not getting enough resources in MuleSoft. Okay. So they are okay with other technology skilled resource also. But if they have learned MuleSoft and they are able to do their project work, that is good enough. Okay. So there are many companies, when they are in front only, they are saying no matter you are from which technology, if you have like learned or if you have good skill in MuleSoft, they are ready to hire. Okay. So here, like they will ask about project related question, like what all project you have worked, then what all API you developed. Then they may ask you to explain any one API in detail. Then they will ask what challenge you faced. Okay. They will ask about source system, target system. Okay. Like in this way, there will be some question or some cross question also. Okay. So we will be ready for everything. All those things. Then at the end, we will have multiple mock interview also. Okay. For each participants, we'll take mock interview, and you need to, like, we will do same way how we do in organization. Okay, so you need to like come on like webcam, and then we will ask some question. We will ask you to share your screen for data wave. Everything we'll do in same way. Okay. Okay, this will be first part where we will discuss about question and all. We will prepare. And second part, parallelly, we will keep working on this part also. So I will help you to prepare your resume. Okay. So most of you should have one resume, but might be you haven't provided detail in proper way. So I will help you to make it like align, and I will have to make it in proper way. So today we will work on one resume part. Okay, so I will create one resume in front of you. You will follow me and you will do same for you also. Okay. I will tell you what all details you need to put in your resume, like what all key points you need to highlight. Okay, all those things we will discuss. Then certification part, if you have done certification, well and good. Otherwise, will help you to clear certification also. Okay, in term of certification, it will not tell you about your actual knowledge. Okay, what I know about the standards, like what is going on in market, but it just add flavor on your resume and in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, but it's going like it's a market trend, so we also need to follow this. Okay, I'm not saying like a certification will tell you about your actual knowledge, but still like everyone is doing so in market. Like we will not create that kind of scenario. Your profile got rejected since you haven't done certification. Since certification, you know, like everyone use dumps and all. Due to dumps, like your profile, like you are not doing certification. So that kind of scenario will not do. So I will help you to prepare for multiple like questions. Okay. We will do like we will work on some like sample question, what I got from internet and all. Okay, so that will give you some understanding what kind of question they ask in certification exam. Okay, so everyone like go through those question, and then in internet you can also explore. Like there are many practice questions are there. You can go through those practice question, and then during like training also you will learn many concept which will help you to clear the certification exam. Okay, and in certification exam, like most of the question they will ask like theoretically. Okay, so you can say 30-40% question will be theoretically. Okay, that you means during training you will learn those kind of concept, and remaining 50-60% question like you will get for different use case scenario. Okay, that also will not be very difficult. Okay, if you will go through like concept first, you if you will go proper with proper concept, and then whatever like practice question MuleSoft has also given on their website. Okay, and many questions are available on internet also. If you will follow all those, then I don't think it will take much time to clear. So we'll work on that part also. Okay, but yeah, as I mentioned, like your main experience will come while working on project. Okay, if you are preparing for certification, then you are just like your focus also will be just to clear this. And learning wise, your main learning will be project. So be more focused on project part. Yeah, just to add flavor in your resume and LinkedIn profile, you should do the certification also. If you did, then well and good. If not, yeah, we'll do it. And then we'll help you to apply and refer on multiple company. Okay. So on this part, like we'll have one session. Okay. I will tell you like how to update your all the profiles so you will get more calls. Okay, what all detail you need to put. Okay, like your Naukri profile will be there, LinkedIn profile and other profile. Many people are looking for outside opportunity also. So in that case, LinkedIn will be a good option to apply for outside or out of India. But if you are looking for within India only, then Naukri will be best option, Naukri.com. There I will tell you what all like detail you need to put so your profile visibility will increase. Okay. And one paid service is also there that is not very costly, but that will also help you to increase visibility of your profile. But we'll see. First, we will go without paid service. Okay. And I will help you to put some key point and what all details you need to put to make it more visible. That we will do. In worst case, if you will not get much call, then we'll go with the other service also. Okay, so all those things we will cover here. So let me do a small recap. So we will have technical question that will be straightforward technical question. What is a on error continue, on error propagate, what is scatter gather? So that kind of question, scenario based question based on error handling, scatter gather, flow, subflow, parallel like parallel for each batch processing. So we will do scenario based question. Then data weave, as I mentioned, like this one is very much important since they want to see your hands-on experience, and the only and one fastest way is data weave. So that will be here. Then project related question. This is also very important. So they will ask project related question and there will be multiple cross question on this part. Okay. So you should be ready on that part. Okay. And then we will do multiple mock interview to give you like similar kind of interview experience. Okay. I know like most of you have already learned MuleSoft and you are working in MuleSoft, but the objective of this course is to make you handy with the interview kind of scenario, interview kind of question. Okay. So you will able to answer things in proper way. Okay. It happens many times like you know answer, but you don't know how to answer in perfect way. So we'll work on that part. Let's say I'm just asking one question. Okay. Let me see how you people are defining this. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is traits in Ramel? If anyone know about trait in
Hello.
Ramel? Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So traits are the common attributes which we use in project.
See, it looks like you know the concept, but whatever you answer, like it's not perfect answer.
To define the common code.
Sorry, sorry.
To define the common code.
Yeah, this is also correct answer only, but not perfect answer.
Yeah,
Okay.
traits
In
is
this
the
way, I know like you know answer, you have idea, but like you don't like giving me complete picture what I am asking. Yeah, go ahead if anyone.
traits is like a function and it is used to define common attributes like responses, headers, and
So in your way also it's the same thing only. Okay, let me define now what like you have seen many answer and let me answer it now and then you can compare. Okay, what is difference? Okay, traits is nothing but it's a reusable component which we use within a RAML or outside of RAML, which we define within a RAML or outside of RAML. Okay, so if we want to define reusable component within a RAML, we create traits within a RAML. And if we want to define reusable components for multiple RAML file, we define traits inside fragment. Okay. Traits contain query parameter, URI parameter, and header, request body, and response body. That's it. Like it's a 4-5 line answer, but it will give complete picture to interviewer. Okay, you know everything about traits. First thing, what is the purpose of trait? Traits is a reusable component. What kind of traits are there? Two kind. One is within a RAML and another one outside of RAML, that is a fragment, inside the fragment. Why we create inside RAML? Since we have multiple reusable component within a RAML, we can define that inside trait. And why we create traits inside fragment? We create traits inside fragment since we have multiple reusable component which will be shared across multiple RAML. In that case, we define inside fragment. And what all will be inside the trait? It will be query parameter, URI parameter, header, and so in like 3-4 line. Okay, I think I have given in 4 line only. So you given almost 10 question answer, not 10 question, 5-6 question answer. Okay, after this they will not expect any, like you will not expect any question on top of trades. Okay, but what other people have answer, they know, okay, conceptually they know, but they are unable to explain it. Okay, so that kind of gap I will try to remove. Okay. Fine then, anyone has any question so far, let me know.
Yeah, Ravi, Sunny here. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
These concepts regarding Anypoint platform, are we going to cover later in training classes or like during the
Yeah, yeah,
project?
yeah, we will cover.
Okay, fine.
Any other question from anyone?
Hello.
Are you asking anything?
Yeah. Hi, Ravi. Can you
Yes,
provide
yes.
any sample projects to mention that in our resume?
So whatever 3 projects you will work, okay, you will
Okay.
use all those 3 projects, and those projects are completely real-time project. Okay, and
Okay.
you will do hands-on experience, so you will have complete in-depth knowledge about that project.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Ravi.
Hello.
Yes.
Like I want data wave PDF like interview question speed. Useful to practice the data wave questions.
Yeah, that is not related to this one. Okay, that you can discuss later on. You can ask me personally.
Yep.
Fine. So then I think we are good. Right. Okay. So timing wise, like we will have 2-day session in a week, either Thursday, Friday, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. That will be evening time. Okay. Or Saturday or Sunday, any one of day. That will be 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, in morning time. Thursday or Friday, it will be evening time. Saturday and Sunday, it will be in morning time. Okay. So weekly, we will have around 3 to 4 hour session. Okay. But still, if I will feel like we need more sessions, then we'll see everyone availability and then we'll do it. Okay, fine then. So let me start with first part. Okay, actually not, this will be part one. Let me move it in part. Since we need to do all this thing before going to this. Meanwhile, like we will keep adding everything in our profile, and slowly we need to make our profile strong. So you will get multiple job opportunity. Okay, first part is resume preparation. So how many of you have already this resume, MuleSoft resume with you? Just put in yes in chat if you have. Okay. Okay, so fine. Let me give you one resume. Just take this resume and everyone take this resume and parallelly with me, you need to update your resume. Okay, I will keep up what happened. You need to update this resume with me only. Okay, so open this resume, download this resume and open this resume. And in name, just mention your name instead of this Sakti, just put your name.
చంపేయండి ఎన్ని కాల్స్ వస్తున్నాయి చూడు నేను కంపెనీ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోకుండా
Sorry. If you are speaking anything,
ఓ
can you
సారీ
speak?
సారీ రవి
If everyone has received this, then let me know. Just put yes if everyone has downloaded and you are ready with this resume. Looks like most of you did. If anyone want me to wait for you, then let me know. Otherwise, we'll start. So here, what you need to do, let's say you need to put your name. Okay. Just put your name here, update your name in this resume and update your email ID.
What about education, Ravi?
I haven't gone to that part now. What I am saying at this moment, focus on that part. Put your name. First, work on these three parts. Your name, email, and phone number. Okay. Hope everyone good on this part. Okay. Second part, you need to feel about your education. Okay. Whatever like last education you have. Okay. Let's say you did BTech, you did BSc, you take like MBA, whatever last education you did, just put it here. If anyone has any kind of like issue on your education part, that we will take separately. Okay, but I hope 90% people you are clear about your education. Your education is fit for IT job, so fill it here. Okay, so you can put your college name, like degree name, then year of completion. Okay, that kind of detail you can put here. For 10% people, I know few people has some conflict or some kind of issue with your education that we will handle separately. Okay, I will take one by one that part. Okay. Everyone reply with yes if you are done with this two part. If you have done those two part, your personal detail and your education detail, reply with yes. Okay, fine. Then hope everyone is good on this part. Okay, coming to this experience part. Okay, at this moment you can leave as it is, but later on, like I will give a script for everyone. Like I will means everyone should not have same detail. Okay, so we will do slight deviation in everyone. So this part for now, let it be, but we'll work soon on this part. Coming to experience part, okay. Now, based on your experience, you should have project, okay. Here I have mentioned 2 projects. Okay. If you have like around 3 to 4 years of experience, 2 project will be good. If you have more than 4 years of experience, like make it 3 project, okay. Copy paste it one more time. Okay. If you have total 4 years of experience, make it 2 time only. 2 project will be good enough. Okay. But if you have more than 4 years of experience, you can put third project also. Just copy and make it third project. Detail wise, I will discuss. Okay. Now coming to company part. Okay. So everyone need to put your current company. Okay. Wherever you are working, put few people like they know their recent company. So put that company name. Okay. And then client name, we will say it's client name. Just remove this one. This is kind of sensitive information. Delete row. Okay, select that row and make it delete row.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Sometimes HR also asking who is the client. Client.
No,
About
HR will
the
never
person.
ask. HR will never ask about client.
So first in the interview, HR will asking sometimes.
If HR
Have
will
they-
ask, simply deny that I can't share you client information. Client, HR or any company can ask about your parent company. They should not ask your client name.
Yeah, okay. But 2, 3 times I'm getting this question.
You can simply deny that, like you can tell them, I can't share client information. As per my company policy, it's not allowed. Like we are not allowed to share. Okay. So
Okay.
duration, this is your latest company, so you can put it currently working. Okay. So company name will be whatever your parent company name, then duration will be currently working. And position you can put at senior software. If someone has any other position, any senior position, you can put. Otherwise, you can put senior software engineer. Okay. Then coming to contribution part, responsible for document and design REST API using experience in MuleSoft Anypoint API platform and design and implementation Mule API experience with Cloud Hub. Okay, so system while utilizing what all connector we have worked so that we can put here just of mule ESB system. Using HTTP. Integration of mule ESB system using HTTP. File FTP. Then Salesforce connector. Object store. So whatever we are going to do in all these three project, we will take all those things. Salesforce object store database. Database connector. And SMTP connector.
We can mention also ticketing tools regarding ticketing tool also.
Yeah, that is tool, and here you will mention all those things. We have last section, tool used. So database, object store, Salesforce, SMTP connector. Then okay, for now, let it be. We'll tell you if we will use more connectors. We have given high level overview. What all like, part you were involved, and then what all connectors you have used. So that kind of detail we have. Then tool, SOAP UI, then you can use Postman, SOAP UI, Jira ticketing, JDeveloper, Eclipse. I think you can only put the Eclipse. SVN, I don't think we are using. You can mention Anypoint Studio, Git Desktop. Git Desktop we are going to use. So I think that should be enough. Environment, Mule Runtime, Anypoint Platform, Tomcat, Linux, AWS should be fine. So whatever you have here, so means similar to this only, maybe you can copy this entire thing. Okay, otherwise let it be. Here I can see some different structure. So what all things I want from here? It take Postman. SOAP UI, Jira, this. Okay. Edge things we can take from here only. So for this one, like for previous project, one thing for this project used from Jan 2023, and this one, this will be December 2022. Okay, so what will be duration then? 19, 20, 2 year, 10 month, I think, correct? Here 11 month, 10 month, I think. Someone has more experience, then you can copy paste and you can do small modification based on duration. Client part we will not put. Then we have here tool and platform, that is separate tab. You can leave it. Okay, if you have, if you know any other, okay, let me remove unnecessary tool. Otherwise, that will create some problem for you. They may ask like, oh, where you use that particular tool. Remove this one. Eclipse is fine. Remove JDeveloper. Desktop. Azure Oracle SQL. Then other activity, if you are involved in any activity which is within the organization and outside of organization, which will show some positive attitude for your side, okay, then put it like if you are like participating any cricket event, okay, if you are organizing or hosting any kind of event, okay, or if you are involved in any activity which will show some positive attitude, you can put there. Okay, so for everyone, don't put it same. Okay, so let's say I have given to sample one, but if you have anything else in your mind where you are involved and that is showing your positive attitude and some extracurricular activity, then put it here. Okay. And certification part, as I mentioned, it will give you flavor in your resume profile. So if you have done, well and good. If not, please do it as soon as possible. Okay. Here you need to put your name. And here you can put like date for this month, any date from this month. Okay. Let me put first of Feb. Okay. You can put any date for this month. So how many of you have completed everything? Just put yes in chat.
Ravi, I have complete 4.5 years experience. If I keep 3 years, how should I relate my prior experience with MuleSoft?
Okay. You can use prior experience in MuleSoft also, or you can use in some other technology also, like front-end technology or testing profile. Say you
Can
have more experience, okay? You have like 6 year experience and you want to put 3 year in MuleSoft and 3 year in other technology. Okay. So you can put first 3 year in front-end or testing profile and remaining 3 year in MuleSoft. So you can put 2 project in MuleSoft, 1 project in other technology. So your first project will be other technology one and recent 2 project will be in MuleSoft.
can I use my own technology like what I have worked
Yeah,
initially?
yeah, that should be perfect. Yeah. If you have any other technology, then that should be perfect.
Because that was not related to MuleSoft or it is not related to API. So
Yeah, yeah, whatever technology, if you have worked on any other technology, you can put your first project in that technology only. If you haven't worked on any IT technology, then you can use either front-end technology or testing profile. Okay, how many of you are completed with this resume? Let me know. I will share, but if you are done with this, okay, let me share updated one also if anyone want this one. Let me see any other modification if I can do.
Yeah, hi Ravi. In my case, I have 4 years experience. Can I use two projects related to MuleSoft and hello?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, another one is from other domain like Java or any testing profile. Which one is good?
Okay, 2 year you want to keep in MuleSoft. So yeah, you can put testing one. Okay, you will able to answer few things. If you will put
It,
Java and interviewer from same profile, then you will make out.
it okay. In testing, any projects are
Manual,
available?
just put manual testing.
Okay, manual testing. Okay.
Yeah, manual testing, you should have only knowledge of Postman and Jira, like JMeter.
Okay, that testing also related to Mule or project or
Yeah, you
anything.
can tell them you were working on mule testing only. You got interest in MuleSoft and then you moved in MuleSoft.
Okay. For this, I have to put three projects in my resume for 4 years experience, right?
Mm, yeah, you can put.
Yeah. Okay, right. Thank you.
Okay, so this one is updated resume. Let me send it back. Yeah, but you need to do some up and down. Okay, don't everyone like if you will use. Okay, anyhow, just prepare this first. I will review one by one, and then I will do some modification. Single huge. So what I will do, I will create a duplicate of this, and then I will send. Okay, so what everyone need to do now, go with this resume, update your resume. If you have anything additional in your mind, okay, which you think that is logical, update everyone resume. Okay, we'll connect after. I think everyone is from India only, na? And most of you should be available. So let's connect after 4 hours. So right now it's 11, 12. So let's connect at 4 p.m. Okay. Uh, so either 4 or 4:30. I will let you know in group only. Everyone should be ready with your email. Okay. Sorry, ready with this resume. And you need to be ready with your email address also. What I will suggest, either you can use your existing email also, anything should be fine. If you want, you can create one scratch fresh email, or if you want, you can use your existing email also. So everyone should have this resume ready and everyone should have this email ID ready. Okay. So let's connect today at 4:30 p.m. Everyone clear on this part?
Yes.
Yeah. So slowly what we will do now for few days, we will start creating all the profile, profile on Naukri.com, LinkedIn, profile on Monster, Indeed, from what all places we will get interview call. So we'll start creating profile and we'll start doing making it stronger. Okay. So to make a strong profile, you need to put many details. Okay. Let's say your education detail, your experience detail, your image, then your what I can say skill set. Okay. And then you can endorse one each other. Okay. So that will help you to make your profile more stronger, and slowly your profile will get more visibility also. Okay, since whenever there will be any opening, so let's say in Naukri.com, interviewer used to search using their keywords. Okay, they are looking for MuleSoft resource. Okay, so whatever, like let's say they got 200, they got 200 profiles, so they can't connect with all the profile at same time. So they will see first 10 profile and they will call them. Okay, so in that way, we need to increase the visibility of our of our profile so that you will get many calls. Okay. So yeah, we'll work on that part. Let's connect at 4:30. Okay. Parallelly, we will keep doing our learning, what we are doing in training session. And at the same time, we will keep working on this interview part also. Yeah, fine then. Thanks everyone.
Hello.